Hi YouTubers, friends. We have a roper dryer, electric dryer roper made by Whirlpool. The problem we have today is not turning on at all. That's the washer, but we're working on the dryer today. Uh, we have the customer said that my friend is not customer, my neighbor says it's not working, it's not turning on at all. So we're gonna check what's going on here, okay, today. As you can see, we're trying to turn it on and it's not working at all on any of the cycles here. Let me show you real quick again. We're gonna probably test first, see if I turn it to different cycle, different setting, it's not turning on at all on none of the cycles, okay? So the first of all, we're gonna check if we have voltage on the wall, okay? When I use our voltmeter for voltage, we're gonna check, make sure we got 220 volts on here on this on the connector on the wall, okay, on the outlet. When I use voltage right here on the settings of the multimeter, that's 200. So since we're gonna check more than 200, we're gonna use the 750, okay, to check voltage. So we should be get the read of 220 volts for the dryer on the at the outlet of the on the wall, okay. Let me just get prepared to do this, and then I'm gonna show you how to test it real quick. Remember, I'm not responsible for any action you do. I don't do this for living. This is just for my own my neighbor. I'm helping my neighbor to do this, to repair his dryer, and that's it, okay. You if you don't use a multimeter, don't even try to make the test, okay. I'm not responsible if you get hurt or if you get something bad. Here we got 241.42 volts from the outlet, so that should be good. So that means we got good voltage from the outlet now, okay. So next, what we're gonna check next if we already got the voltage good, okay. Next we're gonna check or test the thermic fuse, okay. We're gonna take the top off. This is the model number right here, roper. There you go. I'm gonna take them outside so we got more access. Like it says, don't hurt yourself, hire someone, a technician to do the job, okay. I'm just helping my neighbor to fix his dryer, okay. This is what I just do. I don't do this for living. I'm not a technician, so be careful. Okay, so I'm gonna take the top off. You always disconnect any power to it from the outlet to the dryer, and you'll be good to go. So now we're gonna test the thermic fuse. Let's see. It's a little one in the back which has two little legs, two red wires, and is white on the bottom. Be careful with this top of the dryer, the back of the dryer, because it's very sharpy, okay. So you might use a some kind of gloves for protection. Okay, first of all, we're gonna check test continuity on our multimeter now. So we're gonna change the setting from voltage to continuity. Continuity. Sorry for my accent, guys. I'll try to do my best. So right there, that's the setting that you're supposed to have on your multimeter. So it beeps every time. If it's good, it will beep. If it's not good, it's not gonna beep at all, okay. Like right now, you put one of the terminal, red or white, it doesn't matter. It should be beep like this. And now we're gonna test one side and the other side. the little leg right there. Okay, this is thermifuse, so that means it's good. We got good thermifuse, so we're gonna put everything else back on, and then we're gonna continue to the next step. Once you're here, just blow all the dust from the back of the dryer and the vents. Always keep it clean, okay? Clean nice and tight. So we put it back on, everything back on together again. And now we're gonna switch. We're gonna test the door switch, okay? That's gonna be the last next step. So we already checked the voltage is good. We already checked the thermifuse is good. That's the only, and then the last thing we're gonna check is gonna be the door switch. Okay, that's the only three basics symptoms when to check or test when your dryer is not turning on. Okay, when it's not turning on. Now when it's not heating, that's different thing. Okay, so we are checking because it's not turning on. It's heating up, but it's not turning on at all. So look, you can see this is the door switch. Okay, this door switch is supposed to be like a little, well, this is a little bracket that close. When you close the door, it push this little what do you call stick against to the back, so it will make the dryer turn on. Okay, you can hear it's all loose. So we're gonna disassemble the dryer, not the whole dryer, just the top. There should be two brackets here, one on each side. Be careful because this one may fall in the back in the drum inside the dryer, and if that happens, you have to disassemble pretty much almost the whole dryer. We're gonna remove first the this is the little black there's one that it got fell in the inside the dryer, one of the brackets, but I had to get it inside to grab them. Okay, this is the door switch connector, and this is the door switch itself. Now there's two screws holding this switch, the door switch. Okay, so you have to open the door, and there should be two screws Phillips on the bottom that is holding the switch. And then when I just you can use a screwdriver Phillips, and then just loosen off like that. Take them off. There you go. I'm using a impact drill, so it's faster for me. We're in the United States, so everything we got is here, all the technology. Okay, anyway, so my daughter is helping me today. So now you pull out be careful with the screws, don't lose them, and push it this one down. Be careful, don't let the door switch drop in the drum, because you have to take them off the whole thing to get it later. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's the problem with this door switch. The problem is it was just here that is loose. Right here, the little stick right here, or bracket. How do you say? Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so all the problem we got here is that this door switch is kind of loose. The top right here, this little black top is loose because this door switch is kind of open. It's like it's open from the front, so it won't let do the click open and close of the circuit. So to turn on or off the dryer. So see, as you can see, it's pretty loose. So what I'm gonna do, you can always buy it new online on eBay. I like eBay better than Amazon. Look, it should be click it like this. Okay, so that's good. I mean, the switch is good. It's only loose. It got separated a little bit from the middle, as you can see. Look, it got separated from the middle of the center here of the top of the black top right there. See, that's why it's loose. That way it's not getting in. It's not turning on the dryer or off at all because it's loose. It's not reaching, the door. As you can hear it, but the door switch is good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just gonna test this and make a test anyways. Continuity, quantity, and then I want to show you, do the settings and continuity, okay, and then we'll see if it's gonna make the beep. If it's good, it will beep. If it's not good or it's broken, it's not gonna beep at all. Okay. Okay, just put your wires on each side, and now we're gonna close the door, and it should be beep right there. When you close the door right there, that means it's working. Okay. If you open the door like that, now it's cutting the power off. If you close the door, it's gonna make it work. So that means that the door switch is good. Now I'm gonna just make a little trick here just to make it work for at least a couple more years. At least I'm gonna use zip ties to just make it tight, make it close all the way so it won't be loose at all. Okay, very tight. You can always order it if you don't wanna do that. My neighbor says just make it work. You can always bridge it as well, but we don't wanna do that. Okay, so now it's nice and tight, like I like it. Now we're gonna put it back on. Same way, reverse. Install the door switch right there. Install the 2 screws. Oh, hold on, let me check. Oh, eso no es pinilla. Okay, so we're gonna install the 2 screws, and you'll be good to go. Connect the connector, the top. There you go, and we're good to go. Install the right way the brackets, mounting brackets or tabs. I put this one wrong side. As you can see, you cannot close it because it's the wrong way. So I'm gonna turn it the other way. Just take pictures when you take this one apart, so you know how to put it back together. There you go. Just like this. See how it's supposed to go like that. Yes. No, not right now. Yes. Okay, so now put all the screws back on the air filter, and we're good to go. Okay. If you have any questions, just comment at the bottom. Right there. We're gonna move it inside. Make sure your dryer vent is clear of the breeze. I need the breeze. Make sure it's clear and clean. Okay? Because otherwise your dryer won't heat up, well. Make sure everything is good. if your dryer vent needs to be changed, just change it for a new one. If it has any cracks, just change it. No worries. They're like $10, you know. All right, now this is it. We're gonna just push it back. We're gonna install the dryer vent, and now we're gonna hook it up to the electricity, to the outlet, and we're gonna see if it's gonna turn it on. See, now you can see right here. Now it's pretty nice and tight. The door switch, it's not loose anymore. Okay, we're gonna start with this cycle first. Yay! We're gonna use another cycle, another setting to just test it. See, now it's working, guys. Perfecto. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your electric dryer roper, your electric dryer roper. Okay, so we're gonna test temperature. Outside is like 96, right? We're gonna open the dryer and see what's the temperature inside, and we'll see if it's heating it up. 112, 113. Yeah, it's working properly good. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Hasta la vista.